Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be building the Helm's Deep battle. Gonna continue building that. I'm gonna first pull up the instructions. Yeah, there we go. I forgot which booklet I'm in, which step. I think it's the first one, but it's okay. Let me just find where I was. Let's see. This would be easier to spot if it looked. You see? Yeah. So let's see. There. Now we're gonna go off to the side here, like to the back. I don't know where this is supposed to go, but let's see the pieces that we'll need. Let's see. 1 2x4 plate. Wait, any bricks? Nope, no bricks. Okay. 1 2x4. Now the next piece is let's say a plate. Okay. Didn't get much sleep, so sorry if I yawn a lot. I yawn way too much, honestly. Okay. Let's see. We're gonna need this special plate right here. This. I don't even know what it's called. Guess we'll just find out right now. Okay. Plate with a stick. That's a very good name. It's amazing. Let's see. What else do we need? So we need. Oh man, there was a brick. Okay. Anyways, I could just do this. I went to the wrong thing. Okay. Oh, we're gonna need 2 of those. Okay. So you could just duplicate it. Duplicate. Also, I'm gonna get rid of this graph. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, ground. I guess. If you want to be technical. Go with the special plates. Also, I'm gonna be posting these every weekend, so be sure to look out for those. So yeah. What color is it? Okay, black. Black is actually one of my favorite colors. I'm not even kidding. But I'm not emo or anything. I'm not emo. So yeah. Or depressed. At least I don't think I'm depressed. So we're gonna go to this wall and roof elements. Basically, I'm just trying to show you guys how to use this, and be sure to get one of these accounts. Link in the description below. Okay, let's see. Okay, so that's where we put it. Man. Now I'm gonna have to put this into a group. I'm really just using shortcuts. I don't know if there's a shortcut for that, but um, that'd be cool. Also, Mechabricks is available on basically any device. Like, once you can move it around. Once it has a keyboard too. Okay, so that's everything. Okay. Let's press the snap point. Where do I put it? Okay. Over here. Let's just say that there. Okay. That should be good. Dang it. Is that good? Okay. There. Good. What's next? Back to plates. So we're gonna do like a roof, or I don't know. I don't know which part these are. Which part this is. I've never built something like this before, like out of a set. How many? Oh, that's an what? 1x8. Okay, good. Okay, gonna need a 2x2 brick also. Oh, dang it. Okay, let's just snap it into place. It's close to in place. I really don't like how you have to move it around after you try to snap it. That's kind of annoying, but no, that's the wrong brick. Hopefully something happens so it could get better, I guess. 4x8. There we go. Okay, let's see what's next. I'd probably just use one brick for this. Wait. Okay then. Probably, okay. Let's go back to this. That's the wrong place. Like I said in the last video, anytime I'm quiet, it would be because I'm hyper focusing, I guess. Oh, okay. So that is where it goes. Okay. Let's see where else I need to put it. Oh, okay. Well then, I'm dumb. Gonna have to use another one of those. So it'd be like stairs. Okay. I'm gonna kind of cheat real quick. Um, Not really cheat, but like do two steps at once. Okay. That looks pretty good, I think. What's next? Okay, let's see. Sloping. Nope, that's special. Sloping. I always get mixed up with that. Does one go there? Oh, okay. Okay, let's see. Um, if you guys have any questions about Mecha Bricks, just comment down below. Just ask me, or just go to the website. I mean, everything's there in the forums category, like up here, but on the regular homepage. Um, yeah, that was what I needed. I literally forgot what I needed. Also, I have the radio in the background, so like playing behind me, like not in the video. I might be humming a bit, so sorry if I do. Um, I'm trying really hard not to sing. Also, I would do music. If you guys would like to see me or hear me play any play my guitar or something, just comment down below if I should do that. I don't really know if I should, but you can comment down below if I should. Okay, let's see. Oh, that again. Okay. Oh man, that's the wrong color. Okay, so we're getting into the actual castle. Um, um, what's going on in the world? Hmm. Oh, we're already here. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. Um, Hmm. Okay. Also, the website that I get these instructions from is brickowl.com, or is it .com? I think. Yeah, it's .com. So yeah, brickowl.com. It's a pretty cool place. I mean, not really a place. It's not really a place, but it's a pretty good website for instructions. I would definitely recommend it. Um,
Everywhere I go, they be like, oh, so bad. Everywhere I go, they be like, oh, so bad. Everywhere I go, they be like, oh, so bad. Now, what we break it down.
oh, over there too. I did not see that. Let me just. Okay, let's see. Now this wall part. Wow, I'm listening to the song where this guy, when he was 6 years old, he broke his leg. Literally the first line. Wow, that's sad. Pretty sad. I wish there was like some shorter way to add things to the group. There used to be before it got updated, but I mean, maybe there is, but I just don't know because I don't really know things. Okay. I think there's like, which song is this? Yeah, I think it's Tiny Dancer or something. I think. Oh man. Or is it Castle on a Hill? I don't know. I don't know songs. I mean, kinda do, but depends on what kinds of songs. You know, okay. Well, that looks pretty good. So for this part, just need to put the color back. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now, back to wall and roof elements. I've never really used stuff in this part, so that's actually pretty good that I am now, because it was pretty bad that I wasn't using anything from here. Um, let's see. What's next? I made those face the wrong way. Uh, okay. More bricks. More and more bricks. If you guys have Lego, how big are your collections? I mean, I've seen some huge collections. Like, so huge. Got it? Okay. Aw, man. Let me just. Hmm. Yeah, I think it's Castle on a Hill, the song that I mentioned. Okay, let's. Oh, wrong thing. Right, okay. I think, next next video, next Mecha Bricks video, I might just put music in the background. If I should do that, just comment down below yes, or if you don't, just comment down below no. Okay, that's just regular bricks. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, now I need a stud. Okay. Well, I need a door. I think, how many? Okay, so I'm step 40. Ooh, 67 steps. Uh, I think this might just be the last step for this episode or video. I've been watching too many shows. Okay. Yeah. Well, we'll just add these bricks and the door. Okay, let's see. Doors. Doors and windows. Nope, I need a right one. Not for left. Okay. Okay, well, hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Video. Ugh, I've been watching too many shows. Um, Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and have a good life.